Okay, Emma, show everybody how good of a walker you are now. Wow. Come on. Come on. You do a great job. You're doing so good, Emma. Does it also make noises? Let's look. Whoa. That's cool, huh? Now what are you going to do? Now what? Now what do we do? Now what do we do, Emma? Can't go any further. You can't go anymore. Can you sit down from standing? Maybe you can sit down. There you go. Good job. Oh man, can you stand up all? Good job, Emma. Wow. Okay, let's turn it around. Ready? Let's go back this way. Okay, there you go. Go ahead. Did you say Dada? Emma, can you say Ma, Ma, Ma? Can you say Mama? You gotta fix a wheel there or something? Okay. Oh, man. Oh, you see your duck. Okay. Who's that? Oh, who is that? Can I see it? Is that Quack? Can I see Quack? Thank you, Emma. I love Quack Quack. I love Quack Quack. Yeah. Say, hi, Quack Quack. Hi, Quack Quack. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you say Mama? Say Mama. Can you say hi, Grandma, Grandpa? Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. Say I love you. Say bye-bye.